So we go to the last part of paper 2, okay? So we talk about minimum kinetic energy of a neutron estimate by uncertainty principle. Here's some guidelines. So they give you radius. So this is delta x, right? So we have delta x equal delta p larger than or equal to h over 4 pi. So we have minimum, okay, minimum delta p equals h over 4 pi delta x. Okay, and then minimum kinetic energy. Remember, we like the equation p squared over 2m and then substitute this inside. Wow, very x squared over 16 and 32 pi square m square delta x. Remember, be careful about square or not. And then now go to the data booklet. You have it in on hand, okay? So get it, okay? Copy all the value inside 6.63 times 10 to the power negative 34 for h, and then 32 pi square, and then it is a neutron. Remember, copy the neutron one, okay? 1.675 times 10 to the power negative 27, and this one is m. This one does not need to be loaded. Sorry, m is loaded for square. Delta x is square. Yes, sorry. So delta x is square, so v times 10 to the power negative 15 all square. Sometimes it's confusing. Let me check. Yes, now it's your turn. Bring out your calculator, pause the video to find the data, okay? To find the result, okay? Okay, welcome back. I'm sure you got it already. Okay, just check. Okay, it is my suggestion is 9.2 feet. Got it? No, yeah, 10 to the power negative 14. Yeah, what is the unit? Oh, it's the unit, so joules. Okay. So we did a great job. Excellent. So let's celebrate. Okay. What we are do? What we'll do? Yeah, we go through paper 2 already. Okay. So maybe I go out for a dinner. I haven't had my food yet. Okay. Sorry. So see you for other papers. Okay. If you like our channel, remember like, follow, and subscribe and share to your friends. Okay. See you guys. Bye.